Hi, this is Peggy Clary of Clary Law Offices doing our nightly video shoot. And tonight our setting is really different from the office. I don't know if you can see, I'm at a university at a college orientation for one of my children. But interesting enough, this event today gave me a really good thought for what we could talk about tonight, because my daughter failed to mention at the college orientation that the parents had a, see if I can show you, sorry for the odd angle, but full list of activities we were going to attend, including doing a lot of campus walking. And thinking I was just dropping her off, I wore more or less a work outfit, including heels and a very long hot business suit. So it made me realize that in our office, it's sometimes helpful to know what to expect when you're coming in for your estate planning conference, because by the end of the day, my feet were pretty blistered and I had at least sweated off about 20 pounds. So 3 things that help us when you come and see us as estate planning attorneys are really an easy checklist. The first is to actually think about what assets do you have and how are they titled. And that helps us plan the type of estate we're going to do, whether we're going to do some trust planning or a basic will plan. All of that really helps us use our time effectively. Doesn't have to be printed out, just a simple list, much like you could see this, you know, back of an envelope kind of listing, but knowledge of what you have and how it's titled. And remember, that includes titling as accounts held jointly, or maybe you're in name individually, or you have something payable on death. Second thing that really helps us when you come and see us, so number 2, is a list of the people that you would like to consider as your decision makers when you cannot speak for yourself. And documents in the legal world have different requirements, so some require to list their recent phone numbers, some like to list an address, some like to know just their full legal name. So just some basic information, who that person is and how to contact them in the event you have an emergency and cannot speak for yourself. Third thing we need is a good understanding of special things you hold. So what I mean by that is perhaps you have several LLCs that you're a member of, or you're part of a member group. Maybe you have a divorce decree where there's some special provisions about needing to make alimony payments at death. Maybe you have a promissory note or something where someone needs to pay you money or you owe them money. But any unique asset like that that's done by a special agreement, that is always really helpful, so we can plan accordingly to make sure your wishes are carried out. So we hope this video is helpful to you. We hope you live your life with civility, dignity, and respect. And if we can help you with your estate planning at Clary Law, we stand ready to do that. And hopefully this helpful primer of what to bring, 3 easy things: how your assets are held, how are they titled, the full contact information for your people you want to serve as your decision makers, and lastly, information about any unique asset you hold, whether that's LLC or maybe some sort of agreement you've entered into. That information will help us make your planning time to be really effective. And why I had a great time at the orientation I went to. Had I worn the right shoes, I wouldn't be going home, you know, looking for band-aids in my medicine closet. So hopefully when you visit us, you'll have these things ready and have a simple and easy visit to get your plan done.